Batch cooking, simplifying your kitchen routine. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very useful concept in the kitchen, batch cooking. This technique can save you time, reduce stress, and help you eat healthier. Let's dive into what batch cooking is and how it can transform your meal preparation. Batch cooking is the process of preparing large quantities of meals at once, then dividing them into individual portions to be stored for later use. It's a time-saving strategy where you cook once or twice a week, rather than every day. This method is perfect for busy individuals or families who struggle to find time for daily cooking. Saving time. By cooking in batches, you spend fewer hours in the kitchen throughout the week. Consistency in healthy eating. With ready-to-eat homemade meals, you're less likely to opt for unhealthy takeout. Reducing food waste. Batch cooking helps you plan your meals better, which means less food goes to waste. 1. Planning. Decide on the recipes and the quantity of food you need. 2. Shopping. Create a shopping list based on your meal plan. 3. Preparation. Set aside a few hours for cooking. Focus on recipes that are easy to scale up and store. 4. Storage. Use airtight containers to store your meals. Label them with the date and contents for easy identification. Choose recipes that freeze well. Invest in quality storage containers. Mix up your meals to avoid boredom. Incorporate seasonal ingredients for variety and freshness. We hope this video helps you understand and implement batch cooking in your own kitchen. Remember, the key is in planning and organizing. Happy cooking and see you in our next video.